Smash like.
This is why the Galaxy Note 9 is a genius, and I'm a genius, and I'm going to show you why. Because I was going to try to download all these videos that I took last night at my friend's concert. I was his paparazzo, and I was going to hook up. Well, I just did. I hooked up this to the port here and tried to hook this up into my desktop computer, right? And transfer the files that way through this cord. When I started transferring those 71 files, it didn't even give me like an estimate on how much time it was going to take. You couldn't even see the progress bar, right? So the genius thing about these phones is that they still have a card. Like you can still like go like this if you save this tool that you got with the Galaxy Note 9. Put in this little pinhole at the top here. I can find it in the dark here. Press on that. See how that popped out? And then pull out this tray. And here it says right there, check your SIM card tray. Right, because I'm taking the card out. The SIM card's in here too, but I'm just taking out the data card for right now. And now this, I can go like this, use this adapter, right? Plug this sucker right in there. You always put it in the wrong way first, right? Take that over to the desktop, or computer. Put it in the USB, and you always put that in the wrong way the first time too. Now, I go right to Windows 10, soon to be Windows 11. See here it says USB drive, and now I can go bing, and go to USB drive 4, I go to DCM, I go to camera, I got all my stuff here. I go down to last night, which was 9:16. Click here. Go to 9:16 around 7. I can even see the times. 7:23. Hang on a second. I gotta hit Shift for this. Hit and hold the camera at the same time. Shift. Click. So I got 70. I'm sorry. 88 items selected, and then just drag and drop it into this folder, and that should do the trick. And now it'll tell me how much time's left. Oh, only 2 minutes 45 seconds. No, there's no way. It's got to be more than that. Oh, maybe not. And yeah, so like that's a lot faster than using that cable. And iPhones don't have this. There's a lot of Android smartphones that don't have this. And I can still play with my phone in the meantime if I need to. I can text, I could check the stock market, I can play Candy Crush, I could do all the things that I want to do with my phone while I'm transferring these files for the next 2 minutes and 15 seconds. Instead of tying up my computer for hours with a thing, and also I don't have to use the cloud, right? So I actually own my files. They're not just out there in some amorphous server somewhere that can crash or be lost, or I have to pay to have access to. So anyway, that's why I like the Galaxy phones. That's why I love them so much, and that's why I'll probably get another one, even though I know that iPhone 13 just came out and everybody's like, "Woo, what a camera!" But I do need to upgrade this thing because the port. The recharge port and data port, like it's 2 years old, and now the cord won't even stay in the port, so I had to get a wireless charger for the thing. But I'll probably get another Note because I like the S Pen, and I love the fact that there's a removable data card there. So anyway, have a great day. Smash a like for me if you can, and I appreciate all the help, guys. Thanks for all the support. Appreciate the subscribes. Have a great day. See if you can help somebody without getting caught.